Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping GeForce highlights because that's the source of automatic Fortnite clips. Open GeForce Experience and sign in. Once there, go to Settings, then Games, and select Fortnite from the list. Toggle highlights off for that title. Make sure the in-game highlight options are also off. Some versions keep a separate toggle. Doing this removes automatic marker-based recording, so you won't accumulate clips or see overlay prompts during matches. Next, you cut the background recorder itself by disabling Nvidia Share. Press Alt+Z or open GeForce Experience, go to Settings, then General and toggle off Nvidia Share. Once Share is off, Instant Replay, Shadow Play, and Manual Capture stop running in the background. Make sure Instant Replay is explicitly off in the overlay controls, otherwise it may resume when you open the overlay. Turning Share off reduces CPU. Finish by rebooting so the share service fully stops. System restarts clear lingering hooks. Then launch Fortnite, check its settings for any built-in replay or highlight options, and disable those as well. If recordings persist, open Task Manager and look for NVIDIA processes, end them, and test. As a last resort, uninstall or clean reinstall GeForce Experience to remove corrupted settings. If you hit issues, reinstall ensures defaults and prevents automatic recording from restarting unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.